Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective drink that lowers high blood pressure. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. You need two main ingredients to make this drink and they are beetroot and garlic. You just need a small piece of beetroot for this recipe. So cut a small piece and peel off the skin. Chop them into small pieces. Beetroot is a very healthy ingredient. It has many nutrients and it's very low in calories. It helps to reduce your blood pressure. It can improve your athletic performance, fights against inflammation, improves digestive health, supports brain health and has anti-cancer properties. The next ingredient is garlic. You just need 2 cloves. Peel off the skin and chop them into small pieces. Garlic has a lot of medicinal properties. It is highly nutritious and has very few calories. The active compounds in garlic can reduce blood pressure. Add the chopped garlic to the mug like this. To this add the chopped beetroot. Then to this add 1 cup of hot water. Close it with a lid and let this rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes open and check. The essence and benefits of the ingredients are well extracted to the water. Now strain and add it to a mug like this. Now a healthy drink to reduce blood pressure is ready. Drink this in an empty stomach in the morning for best results. If you suffer acidity, then eat a day 10 minutes prior to having this fat cutter drink. You can avoid this drink if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink improves your immunity power, so do try this health drink that lowers high blood pressure at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.